Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. Okay, so I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at a chant song. Okay, I'm gonna paste the guy's name in the link or in the title. Okay, so that you all could get to see the person who sang this particular song. Okay, so the title is "My Altar is Crying to You," something like that. Okay, so pardon me if I got the title wrong. I'm gonna recheck it, then paste it. Okay, so it will be in the key of F. Okay, and also this particular song was also sung by Teofilo Sunday, Simisola, and like plenty other people, from Apostle Joshua Selman to Apostle Michael Rockwell. Like plenty people have sung this particular song. Okay, so I'm breaking this particular song down. Okay, in the key of F. So without much ado, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 1. Okay. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, this helps the channel to get to new audience. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel for me. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, the chord we are doing is this particular chord. I'm doing the F, I'm doing the C. Okay, all on the left. Okay, the right hand I'm doing the F, I'm doing the A, I'm doing the C. Okay, then the second chord we have this. Okay, so we have the C, we have the G. Right hand we have the C, we have the E, and the G. Okay, then we have this particular chord. Okay, we have the G, we have the D, the G, B flat. Okay, then we have the B flat, we have the B flat on the left. Okay, F on the right, B flat on the right, D on the right. So this song follows a simple progression throughout. Okay, the verse and the chorus follow the same. From the heavens and the earth, oh hear, oh speak from the heavens and the earth, oh hear. Okay, oh speak from the heavens and the earth, oh hear. Okay, then the chorus also follow the same progression. Okay, my altar is calling. Okay, my altar is calling. Okay, simple progression. Okay, simple progression. So that is the progression. Okay, so if you are playing the key of C, okay, it goes like this. Okay, then basically the do, then the su, then re, then fa, like that throughout the song. Nothing changes. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.